got some chopped mushrooms there, and basically as many mushrooms as you want. And then some thinly sliced red onion, 2 cloves of garlic. And we've sliced this chicken into really thin pieces, so they'll cook really quick, which is perfect for a midweek meal. And I've got a can of chickpeas and a can of black beans, and they've been rinsed under cold water. And then we've got a sauce which we've made ourselves, and that's a tin of condensed tomato soup, 1 tablespoon of medium curry powder, 2 cups of milk and 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise. And then you just give it a quick whisk and you've got an amazing tasting sauce. So a bit of oil in a pan, and we'll get these mushrooms in first. And those red onions. Now let's get that garlic in. Now those mushrooms are starting to brown, we can get that chicken in as well. This chicken's going to cook really quick. Now we'll get those beans in. Now add that homemade sauce. If you've never tried these homemade sauces that we do, now's your time. They really are full of flavour. And that's now ready to go in your slow cooker. Or you can cook it for another 10 minutes and it's ready to serve. And that's absolutely packed with flavour.